A news just coming in, the Uttar Pradesh government has decided to rehabilitate 63 Hindu Bengali families who came to India from East Pakistan in 1970. 121 hectares of land allotted to these families for agricultural work and housing in the Kanpur district of Uttar Pradesh. Piyush is reporting on this. Piyush, good morning. Give us more details.
Well, Nupur, yesterday meeting of the cabinet of UP government chaired by Yogi Adityanath took place yesterday, in which many important decisions were taken, and in that particular meet, a big decision on rehabilitating these Hindu families has also been taken. Those came to India from East Pakistan in 1970. There are around 63 families who will be rehabilitated by the UP government, and for the same purpose, the government has now allotted 121 hectare land to these families. Per family will be getting 2 hectare, and at the same time, they will be allotted 200 yard square land for building up their houses. And the government has also decided to give 1.20 lakh rupees per family so that they can also construct houses there. So that's the big decision which has been taken by the Yogi government. Yesterday cabinet meet took place where a series of decisions have been taken, and this was one of the important decisions which has been taken. In fact, this has been allotted. 121 hectare land will be given to these families so that they can earn their livelihood by doing agriculture work there on that particular land. Now we'll have to wait and watch when it will be implemented on the ground. But yes, a big decision has been taken by the Yogi government when the cabinet meet of Yogi government yesterday took place. Nupur.
Thank you, Piyush, for joining us with those details.